Hey, I'm Justin here at Dalinghaus Construction. We talk a lot about foundation issues, but there's one hidden problem that scares homeowners the most because you often don't see it until it's too late: the slab leak. A slab leak is not just a plumbing headache, it's a structural nightmare waiting to happen. Why? Because while the plumber fixes the water, the damage that the water did to your home's foundation is often left behind. Today, we're breaking down exactly what a slab leak is, the key structural signs to watch for, why this is such a major problem in California and Arizona, and how Dalinghaus steps in to permanently fix the damage. So, what is a slab leak? Simply put, a slab leak is when a water pipe, a pressurized line, breaks, cracks, or corrodes underneath your concrete foundation slab. Now, that water doesn't just drain away. It starts to soak directly into the soil that is meant to be supporting your entire home. This is where the real problems begin. That water actively undermines your foundation by doing four things. Soil erosion. It literally washes away the supporting soil, creating voids or air pockets. Soil expansion. For clay-heavy soils, common in places like California, that water causes the ground to swell and expand. Soil contraction. Conversely, as the soil dries out and water moves away, it can shrink and contract. Hydrostatic pressure. The saturated ground can create pressure that pushes upward on the slab. All of this movement, up, down, sideways, puts incredible stress on your concrete slab, leading to long-term structural damage. Most people don't find out they have a slab leak because they see a pipe. They find out because the structure of their house starts yelling at them. Here are the four biggest structural red flags we see that indicate a slab has shifted. Cracks in walls or ceilings. This is a classic sign of differential settlement. As one part of the foundation sinks into the eroded void, it stresses the walls above it. Look for diagonal cracks above doors or windows, or stair-step cracks in block or brick walls. The house is literally being pulled apart. Uneven or sloping floors. If you feel like you're walking downhill in your hallway, or your living room floor just feels off, that's the slab itself moving. Water saturation or erosion has caused one section to settle while the rest stays put. This is a clear sign of significant slab movement. Doors or windows that stick. Don't just blame the weather or a sticky hinge. When your foundation shifts, it throws the door and window frames out of square. If your window suddenly won't open easily or your front door is tough to lock, your slab movement is likely the culprit. Gaps between walls and floors. Look down at your baseboards, especially in the corners. Are you seeing gaps forming between the wall and the floor? This is often slab settling into the soil, leaving a visible gap behind. These aren't cosmetic issues, they are signs of serious soil displacement. Why California and Arizona soil makes it worse. We operate across Southern California and Central Arizona, and the soil types in these regions turn a slab leak into a much bigger emergency. In California, we deal with a lot of expansive clay soils. When these soils get wet, they swell and push up with tremendous force. When they dry out, they shrink. A continuous slab leak supersaturates the soil, magnifying this destructive cycle of swelling and shrinking, which is catastrophic for foundations. In Arizona, the problem is often the opposite. Many areas have sandy or dry desert soils that are prone to erosion. A slab leak is like a persistent rainstorm washing away the crucial base layer of soil directly beneath your home. This creates those large voids, leading to immediate sinking and settlement. Regardless of the region, the takeaway is the same. The soil is highly sensitive to the massive influx of water from a slab leak. The Dalinghaus solution, the fix. You call a plumber to stop the water, but remember, fixing the leak only stops the cause, it doesn't fix the damage. That's where Dalinghaus Construction comes in. We are experts in stabilizing, lifting, and permanently repairing homes that have been structurally compromised by slab leaks. Here's the process. Step 1 is a free foundation inspection. We start with a thorough, free inspection. We use laser levels to check for a precise degree of slab movement and document all the signs you've been seeing, like those wall cracks or uneven floors. Step 2 is a custom repair plan. If we confirm the settlement or voids, we design a solution tailored to your home and soil. This often involves one of our proven methods, helical piers, and these are like giant screws that are turned deep into the stable, load-bearing soil to lift and permanently support the slab. Then we have push piers, which are driven deep into the ground using hydraulic pressure. These are ideal for stabilizing homes in weak or eroded soil. Step 3, expert installation. Our teams complete the installation with minimal disruption to your home and yard, usually in just a few days. Step 4 is the post-repair peace of mind. Every project comes with a comprehensive, transferable warranty. We fix it once and we fix it right. The slab leak is the warning. The foundation movement is the risk. Don't let a plumber fix the pipe and walk away, leaving you with an unstable home. The longer you wait to address the structural damage, those cracks, the sloping floors, the more expensive and extensive the final repair will be. If you've recently had a slab leak, or if you're seeing any of the structural red flags that we've talked about, your next step is simple. Schedule your free foundation inspection with Dalinghaus Construction today. We'll give you a clear, honest assessment of exactly what's happening underneath your home and provide a permanent solution. Don't wait for a bigger problem. Click the link in the description or visit our website to get started. We're here to make your home feel solid again. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.